Renovating can be a great way to create the home you want while adding value, but if you're looking for a fixer-upper, it's hard to know where to start. These are 5 key features to look for. Structural repairs will make a massive dent in your budget. If the house is falling down, it's going to cost a lot to keep it upright. Look for a property that's dated, but not derelict. If you have a great floor plan to begin with, you won't need to spend as much money moving or demolishing walls. The best layouts have living areas towards the rear of the property to create that connection with the outdoors that Aussies love. Try to keep as much as possible and improve rather than replace. In the kitchen, you might replace cabinet doors, bench tops, and appliances, while in the bathroom, retiling and replacing fixtures might be all that's necessary. If you're extending, a flat block is better than a sloping block. It's cheaper to build and you'll get a better layout if living areas aren't spread over different levels. Always look for somewhere in the backyard to create a deck or a patio. Ideally, it's next to the living area to create that seamless flow between spaces. Look for at least enough space for a family-sized table and a barbecue. So that's just a few things to look for when buying a fixer-upper.